So both West Wilson Middle and Stoner Creek Elementary will undergo major renovations. Now the undamaged portion of West Wilson, it will be temporarily taken home by elementary school kids.
Mary Mays has more on how this will work.
We are excited about this huge main hallway, which is sort of like our grand foyer.
Stoner Creek Elementary Principal Amanda Smith is excited for classes to start on August 5th, but there's still work to do.
It is going great. We have put in many hours. The maintenance department, staff, we've been working hard to get this place ready, and we are getting close and more excited each and every day.
While this section of West Wilson Middle was mostly untouched by the tornado, there will be a few challenges for Stoner Creek Elementary teachers.
Teachers will be co-teaching, working together to deliver instruction to students. So definitely exciting that the students will have two teachers to work with and to learn with all year. I think probably the most challenging part is just being in sort of tight quarters and, learning to nail down that co-teaching experience.
Lunch and PE are also going to look a little different.
So we're excited to have a full cafeteria down in our gym. So we're dividing our gym into half cafeteria, half a PE gymnasium. Students will come through a serving line, get a hot lunch, and they will be transported from this building by bus to the gym, where they will have cafeteria, lunch, and their related arts classes.
While things are going to be different this school year, teachers and staff are excited for students to see the new space. Mary Mays, News 2.
Thanks, Mary. So once construction starts on the new Stoner Creek Elementary, it's expected to take around 14 months to complete.